It's Monday, August 31st. I'm up to do some trading here. I'm about to take a trade. I'll be right back. Okay, I have taken a short position here. I'll be right back. I'm going to set the stop. Okay, the stop is the full 20 on this one. I'm going to play a little conservative here. I'm probably going to place a break-even stop on it. Just watching it. I am going for 100 ticks on this trade. Yeah, I'm going for 100 ticks on this trade. It's looking good so far. I'll be right back. The only thing I don't like about this particular trade is if it does pop back up again, it'll come get the stop very easily because of the way it is, because of the way the code's set up. But if it doesn't pop up, it'll just keep going down, and it'll, I've got it nailed, no problem. But if it does pop up, that 20 tick stop's probably gone. No big deal. I'll just keep trading and get it back. But I don't generally like to play with a 20 tick stop, but on this particular one, I have no choice. Anyway, I'll be back. Okay, it's dropping down pretty good here. It's looking like I'm nailed it. Well, not quite yet, but it's looking like I very well may have nailed it. And 100 ticks be in the bag this morning. But still got a long ways to go. I'm still watching it, but right now we're looking pretty good. Again, one trade, 100 ticks. There's nothing like using this system for trading, which I am showing. Okay, I'll be back shortly. By the way, in my charting service, I did call this direction to be a higher mathematics, to go down based upon where we were. And also I did call the entry that I just took. I called that out and said exactly what I would do before I did it within the charting service. I'll be back shortly. It's sliding down pretty good here. I still can't mathematically confirm the direction right now, but at some point I will be able to. But it's looking pretty darn good. There's a good chance I've got it here, and I'm going to be able to make the 100 ticks this morning. I'll be back. There's nothing like 100 ticks to get your day started off right. Just want to show that I have a break-even stop in place at 44.52. I'll be right back. Okay, it just broke below the 44 there. So my exit is right down here at 53, not too far away. We're about halfway there now. We're about to get another signal here. I'll be right back. Okay, I have placed the break-even or the protective stop at 44.15 to lock that in right now. There's a reason for my doing that. All has to do based upon the system here and the first system. And so anyway, I'm going to let it go right here. It's either going to continue to go down now, or it'll pop back up and hit me break even. I will take another entry into this direction. I'll be right back. Okay, it is continuing to move down here. It looks very, very good right now. There is nothing but short entries, but it's getting close to the exit, and it's also getting close to, it may come really close to my exit and then not hit it and go back up again. I won't allow it to happen. As soon as it gets close, I'll be all over it to get out. I'll be right back. Also, I'm just simply watching the system here to see what it shows. And maybe it gives me a long entry. Obviously, I'm going to get out. That's what I was about to do, is I would have gotten out if it had given a long entry. Anyway, I'll be right back. Okay, I just exited the trade right there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get back into the trade again. I'm just waiting. It's most likely going to pop back up here right now. Just give a long entry to do so off of system 1. And I am going to take another entry and get back into the right direction here. I'll be right back. It didn't go up very far here. Now it's rolling back over. But I am waiting for an entry. Yeah, it's dropping down here real hard, and it doesn't have me in. That's one of the risks about getting out, is it can be, sometimes you can really give it up before you can get you back in again. I mean, sometimes you can get a really good price getting back in, sometimes you can't. I was hoping I could get a good price getting back in, but doesn't look like it now. Still looking for an entry. Be right back. Okay, I've just taken another short position here. And there it goes. But not quite. It could be offset. I'm going to play this one conservative and put a break-even stop on it ASAP. I'll be right back. I'm going to go do that now. Break-even stop in place at 43.90. This thing will either just keep on going and slide down, or it'll pop back up really quick and hit my break-even stop. I'm not taking any chances. If it slides down, I'm going to let it slide down to about, I'd say, my original exit was at like 53, I think it was. So I'll let it go right down to there, right down to about 53, and I'll exit manually. Or I'll also watch the system here, and if it keeps giving me short entries, I'll just hold on to it. I'll be right back. Okay, it's getting close. It's almost there. 10 more ticks to go, and we're there. I'll be right back. Stop set at 43.74. If it pops back up right there, it's going to stop me out. Or it'll keep going down. Be right back. Okay, it just popped back up right there. Got me back out. Yeah, it's a bit tight. Where did it go down to? Went down to 60. That's like, what, 7 ticks away from my original exit right there. Remember how I said it might go down to get really close and then not make it and then go back up? Well, it looks like it's doing that right now. So it's a little tight, but anyway, I came close enough. That's, close. That's like 68 ticks right there for today. That's not bad. Just off a couple of trades. No losers, all winners, and 68 ticks. Could have got more, but it's a bit tight. Now, if I want to, I could easily keep taking entries using the system. I could, get it going up, get it going down, get it going up, get it going down, all day long, basically, non-stop. But I don't need to. I don't need to spend a lot of time doing that. With the System 2 here, I can just easily hit these larger trades every morning, or pretty much every morning, tracking it through the charting service, and then be done. So it's days like today, which is really good. It's only 7 o'clock in the morning here, and I'm already done. And now I can just go about and do whatever I want today. Actually, I've got to do a whole bunch of work, but my point is I don't have to keep trading. And neither do you. That's why this, System 2 is so good. Because of that. Otherwise you could use System 1 and just trade as much as you want, and it's working great today. Yeah, it's working fantastic, as it usually always does. Well, not always. Sometimes it gets really super choppy and tight, and it doesn't work too good then. But lately, it's been working fantastic. Today, it's working fantastic. Last Friday, it's working good. So the market for August right now is really looking good for oil. It really is. So, it should only get better from here. September, October, November, and December should really start heating up. And then the best time of the whole year is June, or January through June, usually. So, we've got some, it looks very good for oil right now and for trading. That's for sure. So, and the code, the system here is perfect. It's working absolutely perfectly. So anyway, I am going to be back tomorrow for some more trading, to hit some more trades. And I'll be back for the charting again today to do the charting. I did the charting for yesterday for Friday, and I called it perfectly again and did exactly what I said I would do. So anyway, if you haven't joined the charting, highly recommend that you do. If you're struggling at all, if you're doing fine on your own, then you don't need it, obviously. But if you're at all struggling, then you should definitely consider joining that. It'll really help you a lot. So I hope you traders out there are doing well in your trading, and I hope you're learning and being inspired and impressed. And I know that those of you who are using the system are very happy with it, and I'm glad about that. I'll be back tomorrow to do some more trading. Happy trading out there, traders.